Welcome to Vector Databases Explained. In this video, we'll explore how vector databases work, why they're essential for modern AI applications, and the key concepts behind similarity search at scale. Whether you're building recommendation systems, semantic search engines, or AI-powered applications, understanding vector databases is crucial. Let's dive in. A vector database is a specialized system designed to store, index, and retrieve high-dimensional vectors efficiently. Vectors are numerical representations of data, like text, images, or audio, converted into sequences of numbers by machine learning models called embeddings. Unlike traditional databases that find exact matches, vector databases excel at finding similar items. For example, they can find documents similar to a query, recommend products based on user preferences, or identify images with similar content. This similarity search capability makes them perfect for powering AI features. Vector databases are built on a distributed architecture with four main components. First, a load balancer routes incoming requests to the system. Second, a query coordinator manages query execution and aggregates results from multiple shards. Third, multiple shards store the actual vector data, each with its own index for fast retrieval. Finally, metadata storage keeps additional information about each vector. This distributed design allows vector databases to scale horizontally, handling massive datasets while maintaining fast response times. Each component plays a critical role in delivering both performance and reliability. Efficient indexing is the heart of fast vector search. Two popular indexing methods are inverted file, or IVF, which divides vectors into clusters and searches only relevant clusters, and hierarchical navigable small world, or HNSW, which builds a graph connecting similar vectors. IVF is memory efficient and works well for large datasets. HNSW offers faster query times but uses more memory. Routing determines which shard processes a query based on the query vector's characteristics. Smart routing ensures queries reach the most relevant shards quickly, reducing latency and improving throughput. Combining effective indexing with intelligent routing creates a system that's both fast and scalable. Sharding splits vector data across multiple nodes to enable horizontal scaling. Hash-based sharding uses mathematical functions to assign vectors to shards based on their content. Range-based sharding assigns vectors to shards based on value ranges. Semantic sharding groups similar vectors together on the same shard, which improves query performance by reducing the number of shards that need to be searched. Each approach has trade-offs. Hash-based sharding is simple and balanced, range-based is intuitive, and semantic sharding is optimal for similarity queries but requires more sophisticated coordination. Choosing the right sharding strategy directly impacts system performance and resource efficiency. Latency, or response time, is critical for real-time applications. Caching frequently accessed vectors and query results dramatically reduces retrieval times. Batch processing allows multiple queries to be processed together, improving throughput. Early stopping terminates searches once enough results are found, avoiding unnecessary computation. Query pruning removes unlikely candidates before detailed comparison. Connection pooling reuses network connections to reduce overhead. Approximate search trades perfect accuracy for speed, finding very similar results in much less time. Combining these techniques creates a system where users get answers in milliseconds. For applications like real-time recommendation and instant search, these optimizations are essential. Consistency determines how quickly updates are visible to all queries. Strong consistency with synchronous replication ensures all replicas are updated together, guaranteeing immediate visibility but potentially slowing writes. Eventual consistency allows replicas to update synchronously, improving speed, but with a slight delay before all replicas see updates. Read repair and anti-entropy mechanisms help replicas converge to the same state. Snapshotting creates point-in-time views of the data, allowing historical queries and safe rollbacks. Different operations can use different consistency levels to balance speed and accuracy. Understanding these trade-offs helps you choose the right model for your specific use case. The quality of embeddings directly impacts search results. Dimensionality, normalization, and the way vectors cluster all affect accuracy. Model drift occurs when the embedding model changes over time, potentially degrading search quality. Monitoring systems track latency, recall, which measures how many relevant results are found, and precision, which measures how many results are relevant. When metrics degrade, retraining the embedding model can restore quality. Choosing the right distance metric is crucial too. Cosine similarity measures angle between vectors, inner product measures projection, and Euclidean distance measures spatial distance. Regular monitoring and timely retraining ensure your vector database remains effective over time. As data grows, storage becomes a challenge. Sharded vector stores distribute data across multiple storage nodes, with each shard maintaining its own index. Columnar storage organizes data by dimension, improving compression and analytical queries, while row-oriented storage is better for individual record access. Chunking breaks large datasets into smaller pieces for easier management. Compression techniques reduce storage requirements without losing critical information. Tiered storage uses fast, expensive storage for frequently accessed hot data, slower storage for warm data, and even slower storage for cold data rarely accessed. This intelligent approach keeps hot data available while minimizing costs. Replication ensures data durability by maintaining multiple copies across different nodes. When one node fails, others continue serving data without interruption. Vector databases enable scalable, low-latency similarity search across distributed systems. Indexing structures like IVF and HNSW, combined with intelligent routing and sharding, deliver fast, efficient retrieval. Balancing consistency, latency, and throughput through careful design choices ensures your system meets real-world requirements. Embedding quality, continuous monitoring, and smart storage strategies keep your vector database reliable and performant over time. As AI applications grow more sophisticated, vector databases become increasingly essential. Understanding these concepts prepares you to build and optimize systems that power modern AI features. Now, you have the foundation to explore vector databases in depth and apply these principles to your own projects.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.